you, your county, yourself, and the entire leadership has graciously accepted to host this great international activity. International because we are not only expecting people from Kenya, but also from the international scene, we're expecting others, including America and other places. My director has already spoken to the fact that we are going to have very many people in this particular county. The choice of Meru County was made deliberately. One, because Meru County is rich culturally speaking, and Sante Waziri kwa kufika huku, it's very rich in terms of culture. And Meru people also love music. And from the schools around here, we already know that several schools from this particular county will be participating at the national level. So we are very thankful and grateful.
The working relationships, as I told you, between our level and the county government is seamless. Excellency, the issue security, when we handle such mammoth crowds, huge numbers of people from the entire republic with the different expectations, and we want them to sample everything there is to be sampled in Meru. We have committed ourselves to ensure that there is a very, very clear operation order so that our security is guaranteed, so that characters who come on board and are bent on causing mayhem and casting Meru in bad light will be handled in advance so that we don't have any bizarre incidents. We have assured them that we partner together and our commitment goes beyond Meru town. It goes down to all the villages where they will be hosting these particular participants.
Karibuni sana hapa Meru. We love visitors. Usually Merus are very welcoming people. There are a lot of bananas and potatoes, arrowroots, cassava and sweet potatoes. I want to prepare you. Tell your people to come with a lot of money. We have so much that you'll go back home with. Promote our farmers. Generally, agriculture is the backbone of our economy. So kwetu ni karibuni. We will support you as our governor has said, and we are here whenever there is an issue. All our government officers are ready to assist.
What a joyful day. It's a great day. Karibuni sana. It's my pleasure, it's my joy, and on behalf of the people of Meru, may I welcome you with open hands to Meru. These are good news that you brought us. These are opportunities that you're bringing to the people of Meru, and I think every corner of this great county will feel the warmth of the activity, of the exercise, of the event that is going to be held in Meru. This is an event of its kind. I think in history, we've never held such an event in Meru. 150,000 participants, people who are joining, coming to Meru County. Bwana County Commissioner, it's a great opportunity for all of us. I want to assure you that Meru is the best place to host this event. Meru is ready to host you and the entire team that will be coming. We are ready in terms of hospitality spaces that we have in Meru. We are ready in terms of security, Bwana County Commissioner. We are ready in terms of managing all the areas that you've talked about, the areas that you need the county government to be engaged in, so that this will be a successful event